Learning target 554 asks us to determine whether given lines are parallel, perpendicular, or neither, simply by identifying their slopes. The key is you have to have the equations in slope-intercept form, y equals mx plus b. Because if you have y equals mx plus b, then you can find the m, the slope value. So you look at line A, y is by itself, I can see the slope is 3/5. Sometimes people look at line B and say, oh, the slope's 3 because that's the number in front of x. Well, first step, you need to get y by itself and divide by 5 on both sides. So line B, the equation actually is y equals 3/5 x minus 2/5 after you earthquake it. And take 3x divided by 5, that's 3/5 x. And negative 2 divided by 5 is negative 2/5. Similarly, in C, we have to get y by itself first. So I'm going to subtract 10x from both sides. And then I'm going to divide by negative 6. The negatives and the 6's cancel. I end up getting y equals, now earthquake, negative 4 divided by negative 6 is a positive 2/3. Negative 10 divided by negative 6 would be a positive 5/3 times x. So now going back, line A had a slope of 3/5. Line B has a slope of 3/5. And line C has a slope of 5/3. So in this particular example, I would say A and B are parallel. And none of the lines are perpendicular. Some people might want to say, well, this is the reciprocal of 3/5, which is correct, but to be perpendicular, it would have to be an opposite reciprocal. So if I had another line that had a slope of negative 5/3, then I could say that it would be perpendicular to B and A. Since I don't have any with a negative 5/3 slope, all I can say is that A and B are parallel.